What if I told you the gasoline you're pumping into your tank right now could be slowly killing your engine? Most drivers have no idea that some gas brands cut corners on detergents and additives, and it leads to clogged injectors, carbon buildup, and repairs that can cost you thousands. If you're someone who cares about protecting your vehicle investment with real facts instead of marketing hype, hit that subscribe button right now. It's actually shocking that over 95% of viewers don't subscribe, despite saving hundreds or even thousands from the information in these videos. Subscribing costs you nothing, but helps us keep bringing you content that gasoline brands don't want you to know. In this video, I'll reveal 10 gasoline brands you should never use, and 4 that actually protect your engine, improve performance, and make your car last way longer. Trust me, if you care about your car's life, you don't want to miss this. 1. Safeway. Gasoline, Safeway gas stations are a staple in many suburban areas, offering quick convenience and competitive pricing tied to loyalty points. But here's the trade-off. Their fuel quality often does not match that of premium brands. Safeway. Gasoline generally falls short of the top-tier certification, a program backed by major automakers like Honda and GM that ensures proper levels of engine cleaning detergents. In real-world driving, this lack of detergent content can cause a slow but steady buildup of carbon deposits in your engine. Over time, these deposits lead to clogged fuel injectors, inefficient combustion, and poor throttle response. Drivers have reported reduced mileage and even rough idling after use, and since third-party suppliers often deliver Safeway gas, quality can vary widely from one location to another, increasing the risk of contaminants entering your fuel system. 2. Arco is notorious for offering some of the cheapest gasoline in many regions of the U.S., especially in California. But that lower price comes at a hidden cost. Arco's fuel does not consistently meet top-tier standards, and independent tests have found that the detergent content in its gasoline is often just enough to pass EPA minimum requirements. That's bad news for your car. Without robust detergents, modern engines, especially turbocharged and direct injection ones, are vulnerable to internal carbon buildup. Over time, the gunk leads to sluggish acceleration, pinging noises under load, and increased emissions. The cost of fixing these problems can run into the thousands, especially if it requires cleaning or replacing injectors or rebuilding intake systems. And it gets worse if you're driving long distances or commuting regularly on Arco fuel. The damage compounds. Even if you're saving 10 cents per gallon, you may end up paying far more in repairs. 3. Murphy USA is a distant gas chain often located near Walmart stores. The appeal is obvious, cheap gas that's easy to find. But unfortunately, Murphy USA's fuel quality reflects its pricing strategy. The brand lacks a nationwide commitment to top-tier standards, meaning the detergents added to its fuel may not be adequate to protect modern engines from long-term damage. Countless drivers have shared complaints about decreased fuel economy, engine hesitation, and dirty spark plugs after using Murphy fuel over time. Since many Murphy locations operate on very thin margins, they may also be less stringent about maintenance of their tanks, filters, and pumps, leading to possible contamination from water, sediment, or even microbial growth. If you drive a newer car, especially one with direct injection, using Murphy USA gasoline regularly could seriously reduce the life expectancy of your fuel system. 4. Costco gasoline. This one's going to be controversial because Costco gas is, in fact, certified top tier. The additive package is solid, and Kirkland's signature fuel is chemically comparable to Shell or Chevron. So why is Costco on this list? The issue isn't with the fuel, it's with the delivery and logistics. Costco stations often have massive foot traffic and long lines. When underground storage tanks are refilled frequently, there's a higher chance of sediment being stirred up. If you happen to fuel your car while the tanks are being replenished, you're risking pulling in contaminated fuel. There have been consumer reports of rough idling, fuel filter clogs, and even check engine lights after Costco fill-ups. Add that to the risk of water accumulation due to high turnover and temperature variation, and you've got a recipe for trouble. Costco gas is fine, but the risk lies in when and how you get it. 5. Racetrack is a regional gas chain primarily operating in the southeastern United States. Known for its aggressive pricing, Racetrack markets itself as a budget-friendly option for drivers. However, this affordability often comes at the expense of consistent fuel quality. Racetrack is not a top-tier certified fuel provider, which should be an immediate red flag. Their gasoline lacks the detergent levels needed to prevent engine deposit buildup, especially in high-performance or newer engines. Several mechanics have warned that regular use of Racetrack gasoline can accelerate wear on intake valves and lead to reduced compression. Moreover, some drivers have reported stuttering during acceleration, increased engine noise, and poor long-term fuel efficiency. In the short term, it feels like a great deal, but over time, the lack of proper engine cleaning can cost you big in maintenance and performance. 6. 7-Eleven. Gas station is a global brand, but their gasoline operations in the U.S. are anything but standardized. Many 7-Eleven gas stations are franchised, and fuel sourcing can vary from premium refiners to bargain bin suppliers. That inconsistency is a major issue. One station might offer decent fuel from a reputable source, while another might sell poorly refined gas with minimal additives, because there's no corporate-wide commitment to top-tier detergent levels. The quality is essentially a coin flip. Drivers using 7-Eleven gas over long periods have reported increased pinging, engine knock, and dirtier spark plugs. Some even mention that their check engine lights begin coming on more frequently. If you're in a pinch, 7-Eleven might be okay, but as a regular source, you're gambling with your engine health. 7. QuickTrip is one of those gas brands that people either swear by or avoid, and here's why. While some QuickTrip locations use top-tier fuel, others do not, and the company doesn't require it system-wide. This inconsistency creates confusion among consumers and potential damage to engines that rely on clean-burning fuel. Without top-tier detergents, carbon deposits can build up fast, especially in those high-efficiency engines we all love. If your local QuickTrip isn't certified top-tier, you could be looking at reduced performance and long-term degradation. We've seen countless forum posts and user reviews from automotive communities about injector and carbon fouling from non-top-tier QuickTrip stations. So, unless you know for sure your QuickTrip is certified, it's best to play it safe. Next, let's talk about Sam's Club gasoline. Like Costco, Sam's Club offers discounted gas through its membership, and on paper, it seems like a smart move. But here's the catch: consistency. Not all Sam's Club stations offer top-tier gasoline. Some might source from premium suppliers, others from less reputable distributors. This inconsistent sourcing, combined with high traffic and sometimes infrequent pump maintenance, makes it easier for contaminants to get into your tank. We've heard reports of engine hesitation, poor mileage, and a noticeable drop in power after extended use. If you have an older car, you might not notice much, but for newer models, especially turbocharged or hybrids, you're risking efficiency and long-term engine health. Then there's Kroger gasoline. Kroger runs hundreds of fuel centers, often luring you in with grocery discounts and fuel points. While saving money is great, the gasoline quality at Kroger is often less than ideal. Most locations don't participate in the top-tier program, meaning their fuel lacks sufficient detergent additives. Frequent use can lead to buildup that impairs combustion efficiency. Mechanics often find more intake valve deposits and dirty fuel injectors in cars that consistently use Kroger fuel. Plus, they source regionally, so you're at the mercy of local refinery quality, which can be super inconsistent. Over time, those fuel point savings could be dwarfed by costly engine repairs. Finally, on our avoid list for today is Circle K. This well-known convenience store chain also operates fuel pumps across North America. While some locations might partner with top-tier suppliers like Shell, many don't. And again, there's no centralized quality guarantee. This inconsistency puts your engine at risk. Non-top-tier Circle K fuel has been linked to increased carbon buildup, especially in direct injection vehicles. And let us not forget the maintenance of their pumps and tanks. There's a risk of getting water-contaminated fuel, especially after heavy rains. Many online reviews mention odd engine behavior after refueling at certain Circle K stations. Unless your local Circle K is confirmed top tier, you might want to avoid it for long-term use. Now that we've covered the gas brands to approach with caution, let's shift gears and talk about the champions, the gasoline brands that actually protect your engine and keep it running smoothly. First up, the global giant, Shell. Shell consistently exceeds industry standards, and their flagship fuel, V-Power Nitro Plus, is designed to actively clean and protect your engine. Developed with input from performance automakers, V-Power Nitro Plus helps prevent gunk buildup, reduces friction, and prevents corrosion in high-compression and turbocharged engines. Shell's fuel contains nitrogen-enriched detergent additives that go way beyond EPA minimums, helping to clean up existing deposits while preventing new ones from forming. Long-term use of Shell gasoline can restore lost power, increase fuel efficiency, and extend engine life. Whether you drive a regular sedan or a high-performance car, Shell is a gold standard option for fuel quality. Next, we have Chevron, a brand that has earned a stellar reputation for its Techron additive. This cleaning agent is so effective, it's sold as a standalone fuel system cleaner in stores. Every gallon of Chevron gas, even the base grade, comes pre-blended with Techron. This additive works at a molecular level to break down carbon deposits on fuel injectors, intake valves, and pistons. For drivers of direct injection engines, where deposits form quickly, Chevron can be a game changer. Third-party studies confirm its effectiveness in improving combustion efficiency and reducing harmful emissions. Consistent use can lead to smoother acceleration, more stable idling, and longer intervals between maintenance. In short, Chevron fuel does more than just power your car. It protects it from the inside out. Coming in strong at number 3 is Exxon Mobile. Exxon and Mobil stations use Synergy-branded gasoline, a formula that includes 7 key additives, such as multiple detergents, corrosion inhibitors, and friction modifiers. Synergy fuels are top-tier certified and optimized for both performance and longevity. In real-world testing by the Society of Automotive Engineers, Exxon Mobil fuels were found to clean intake valves up to 50% better than non-top-tier gas. The fuel also provides better atomization, leading to more complete combustion and reduced carbon emissions. If you care about getting the most out of every drop while keeping your engine clean and protected, Exxon Mobil is a reliable go-to. It's especially beneficial for turbocharged engines, where cleaner combustion translates directly to longevity. And finally, last but certainly not least, we have British Petroleum, or BP. BP's Invigorate additive system helps their fuels go beyond just powering your car. It actively restores lost engine performance. Invigorate is a blend of corrosion inhibitors and detergents designed to clean fuel system components and prevent the formation of new deposits. BP's gasoline meets top-tier certification standards and is engineered to reduce engine knock and pinging. Their fuel is widely used across Europe, where tighter emission standards require even cleaner combustion. BP gas also contains additives to stabilize fuel over time, which is important for people who don't drive frequently or use their cars seasonally. If you were looking for a fuel that not only powers your drive but also keeps your engine running like new, BP is an excellent choice. So there you have it. 4 gasoline brands that genuinely protect your engine, and 4 you might want to think twice about using. If you learned something new today and found this information helpful, please do me a huge favor. Hit that like button, subscribe for more essential car care content, and ring that bell so you don't miss our next upload. And I'm really curious, which gas station do you usually use? Have you ever had issues after filling up somewhere? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.